We're going to set up a project. Click on Manage, Projects and Clusters. Select the default project at the top. Click Duplicate in the lower right corner. Scroll to the bottom of your screen where you will see Copy of Default Project. Click on it. Click on Project Name at the top and give the project a name. For our case, we're going to name it 2025-02-05. It's February the 5th, underscore, and we're going to put 10:59, that's the current time, underscore, and I'm going to type in my initials. I'm going to select everything and copy it, and now I'm going to paste it into the file base name, and I'm going to change the initial scan number to 1. Once I've completed this, I'll click Home, and then I'll click on the inclinometer. Here I'm going to make sure that the blue is near the center as best I can get it. Make any adjustments as needed. When you're finished, click Home. Now I'm going to click Parameters, lower left corner of the screen. I'll click Selected Profile. I'm inside, so I'm going to use or want to use the accelerated profile. In order to do that, I'm going to click on anything but that, and then click on Accelerated again. This resets the accelerated profile back to the factory defaults. When I click the back button, I can now go down here to adjust the resolution and quality. While the resolution is automatically adjusted, you may want to increase the quality based upon surfaces that you may be scanning that offer challenges to the scanner, like dark, shiny cars, or glass, or shiny floors. In our case, we're going to leave it at 3x. We'll skip on down to Scan with Color. This is how you turn the camera on. This is how you get color imagery. If you do select Scan with Color, choose Color Settings. We're going to use the internal camera. We're going to set to Horizon Weighted Metering. We're going to select High Resolution Photography and Speed Mode. This will give us the fastest color scan for indoor, 3 minutes and 7 seconds. When we're ready to get out of this, we'll click Home in the upper right corner. We'll click the drop down under the word Home at the top and just check everything to make sure it's correct. Look at the time, the color is on, speed mode is on. We're ready to scan. We'll click the up button and roll that window up. Now we're ready to scan. We'll click on the blue icon and the scanner will start. While scanning, the counter in the lower right corner will count down. It's reasonably accurate as far as how much time is left, so you can keep an eye on the counter to know when your scans are finished. The scanning itself will happen pretty quickly. It will then measure the level, the inclinometer, it will then meter the light, and then capture the color or take pictures. The image that you see is your indication that the scanner has completed its scanning task. You can now move to a second location and begin scanning again. In order to get the data to the SD card, I can click on the SD card icon on the home screen and it will automatically copy all of the scans relative to this project to the SD card. When it's finished, it will give you a message confirming that it's copied the data. You can click OK, shut down your scanner, remove your SD card, and process your data. Alternatively, if you have more than one project, you can click on Manage, Storage Management, and select the project or projects that you have and click Export. That will copy all the data from all the selected projects to the SD card.